All right, friends, welcome to Neary Shores Prepping. I'm your host, getting ready for Snowmageddon. I just put a fresh bale of straw in the chicken coop, closed the door, and the water that I put out there this morning is already frozen, so they have fresh water. Just a reminder, please secure your outside animals, chickens, livestock, dogs, whatever. Make sure that they're out there. We're in Ohio growing 6A. It is 12 degrees outside. And with that wind blowing, it is probably sub-zero temperature. Look after your pets. No one needs to suffer like that. I just threw a bale of straw inside the chicken coop, broke it all up for them. And they were busy doing what chickens do, scratching it, tearing it apart, fluffing it up. So they'll make sure they have plenty of insulation and they're doing fine. Secondly, when I was at Tractor Supply, picked up the straw, picked up a couple things. Extra flashlight, you can't have enough of those. That was $40. I have plenty of C batteries, that's why I got it. I like battery, I don't like rechargeable stuff because if there's no power, you can't recharge. So I like the batteries, I got plenty of C batteries. Hands-free headlamp, put it on your forehead, so that way in case something happens, you're driving home, blow a tire, hit a deer, go off the ditch, whatever, or you're having to walk home because of SHTF, hands-free headlamp, you can still see it, multicolors to keep your hands free so you can work on your vehicle, whatever you want to do. Next. Silver is 101 and change. That is an all-time record high. It will go higher. It's highly volatile. It will go higher. Don't sell unless you want to. But I'm hanging on to mine for a while longer. Gold hit $5,000 an ounce before dropping back down $5 below 5,000. But you might as well say it's $5,000 an ounce. The reason these precious metals are escalating dramatically, as predicted, I said we'll see $100 an ounce for sure before the end of January, and that was true. People are leaving the currencies, especially the dollar, and they're seeking security from the stocks and bonds. And Japan is reorganizing their debt load that they've had. It's 250% above their GDP. So now they're doing bonds with a percent yield instead of 0% interest. Now they're charging interest and they're paying on, if you buy their bonds, they will pay you interest to do so. That is creating ramifications around the world. So hang on to your hats. It's going to get real bumpy for quite a while. Next, I truly believe we will be at war with Iran very quickly. The naval fleet that was off of Venezuela is now on its way to the shores off of Iran. I believe Trump has had enough of reading notifications of 6,000, 12,000, 20,000 innocent civilians protesting, wanting their liberty, which the Iranian government has crushed that rebellion through brute force. I think he's had enough of that, and people are saying, you promised. Again, another president promising to back the Iranian people. The previous administrations, all talk, no go. Trump is saying it's time for regime change. I think with the naval fleet going to be headed there, I think we're going to be seeing some fireworks going off unless the butchers of the regime, the Ayatollahs, decide to flee to Russia. I think you're going to start seeing some air superiority taking out the military assets to aid the people of Iran to get their freedom and move on with their lives, hopefully. Right now, the main concern is the blizzard that's supposed to be happening. I don't know. It may happen, it may not happen. We may get freezing rain, we may not get freezing rain. My best advice to you is prepare for the worst and hope for the best. Get ready. Make sure you're safe, plenty of blankets, alternative methods of cooking like a camp stove in case you have electricity. We do get the freezing rain. That will take down the power lines immediately. Make sure your vehicles are topped off with gasoline. Plenty of blankets. Heaters using safety precautions, especially around the kerosene heaters. A lot of houses go up in flames unattended. So make sure if you're downstairs, sleeping by the heater, fire extinguisher, and your cell phone's charged. Should be interesting. Hopefully it'll be okay. I've got to get ready, fix lunch, and go to the hospital, pack a go bag, an overnight bag. I already have a get-home bag in there, but I don't think I'll be walking in 2 feet of snow if that prediction is correct. All right. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your thoughtful conversations. I appreciate you. I thank you. Please subscribe mostly. Give me the thumbs up. I'm still trying to overcome that vicious Biden administration censorship when they put me off YouTube for talking about COVID, the ramifications, how to get it, how to get rid of it, and everything else. They really punished a lot of us, including myself. So please subscribe. Thank you very much. Greg out.